Are you interested in finding out how to get the most respect from men? Good luck. This video gives you 7 great secrets that every woman needs to know to win the hearts and respect of the guys in her life. Believe me, these rules have been tried, tested, and constantly proven to be super effective and reliable. Get cozy, keep an eye out, and get ready for a big improvement in your relationship game. You surely don't want to skip a second of this video. Are you ready? Let's get started. Rule number 1. Respect yourself. You already know this. It's not news. But trust me, it's the most important thing. When you respect yourself, you'll give off an air of confidence that no man can handle. Curious, how exactly do we describe this self-respect? Let me share some light. It's all about having sky-high self-worth and bulletproof self-esteem. It's the guts to stand your ground, even if everyone else is against you, feeling comfy in your own skin and refusing to let anyone tell you how to feel about yourself. Make honesty your best policy and never settle for less than you earn. Understand your worth and never allow someone to treat you with disrespect. Eager to kickstart this journey toward men's admiration? Well, girl, it all starts with embracing yourself fully. Trust me, as soon as you do, they'll be lining up to love you like a queen. Rule number 2. Speak your mind. Okay, so we've already covered the whole self-respect thing, right? Now, let's dig into rule number 2. Speak your mind. Trust me, this rule is a total game changer. Guys seriously respect ladies who are candid and real about their thoughts and feelings. It shows that you're confident and unafraid to let your voice be heard. And come on, who wants to be with someone who just nods along and never shakes things up a bit? Boring. Guys totally respect women who are bold enough to speak their hearts out, even if it ruffles a few feathers. But hold on, speaking your mind is important. But it's also crucial to do it with grace. You don't want to come off as harsh or unfriendly. Instead, be real and direct. Say what's on your mind in a cool and confident way, and you'll have guys eating out of the palm of your hand. Oh, and the cherry on top. Speaking your piece won't only win you admiration from the gents, it'll make you feel more confident and strong too. So, go for it. Let your real thoughts fly free and watch that respect roll in. Rule number 3. Set limits. Let's chat about setting limits. I promise you, this is where the real enchantment starts. Earning a man's respect demands that you set limits. This is important. Men admire confident women who know their limits and express them. They appreciate gals who are open about their comfort zones and what's off limits. This demonstrates that you're secure in your self-worth, refusing to let anyone walk all over or exploit you. But here's a secret. Having limits is not just for earning men's respect. It's also an important ingredient for your own self-esteem. It requires knowing what you can handle and what you won't tolerate. It means staying immune to manipulation and avoiding being under someone else's direction. Most importantly, it means empowering yourself by being bold. Guess what? Once you've set those healthy boundaries, you'll not only win over men's respect, but also feel way more in command of your life and relationships. So go on, make those rules, and watch respect roll in like a huge wave. Rule number 4. Follow your own way. Men admire women who have a clear sense of what they want and possess the guts to chase it. These women don't let others control their lives or dictate their actions, and this wins respect. They have their own aspirations and objectives, taking risks to achieve them, which shows their ambition, determination, and a strong sense of identity. However, blazing your own trail isn't solely about getting men's admiration. It's also about leading a life based on your own beliefs. Embrace trying new things or going against the norm without fear. Dare to be special and stand out. Men appreciate women who confidently accept their true selves and live life by their rules. The cherry on top? When you go your own way, you'll gain men's respect and better life satisfaction. So, go ahead and build your own way forward. Watch the praise come flooding in. Rule number 5, put your health and happiness first. As we near the end, we've saved something outstanding for last, valuing your health and happiness. Men respect women who maintain their well-being and put themselves first. They value women who live life on their own terms without having others define them. Women who make decisions independently without relying on others convey a strong sense of self and the bravery to prioritize their own needs. However, putting one's health and happiness first is not just for earning men's respect. It's also crucial for living a satisfying and balanced life. Be unafraid to refuse things that don't feel right. Don't hesitate to put yourself first, even if it disappoints someone else. Men admire women who value their own well-being above all. The best part? When you prioritize your health and happiness, you not only garner men's respect, but also attain greater satisfaction and equilibrium in your life. So, go ahead, place yourself first, and watch the respect come flooding in. Rule number 6. Speak out when you feel disrespected. You know that feeling when a guy disrespects you and it just makes you feel so small and unworthy? It's the worst, right? But here's a little secret. You don't have to take that crap from anybody. Seriously, as a beautiful and strong woman, you should be treated with respect and dignity all the time. But hey, respect is something we need to earn, not just something we can order up like a side of fries. So if someone, like a guy, or really anyone at all, isn't treating you with the respect you deserve, don't be shy. Speak up and let them know their behavior is totally not cool. I know it can be terrifying to approach someone, especially if standing up for yourself feels sort of new, but trust me, it's so much better than letting someone walk all over you. If you stay silent about being disrespected, it's like giving out invitations for more of the same. No thank you. So next time someone's not giving you the respect you're due, take a deep breath and dig deep for that inner warrior. Let them know their behavior is just not flying with you. Saying what you mean without being mean or aggressive works. Remember that you are straight up strong and confident. You truly deserve the best, so make sure others treat you properly by standing up for yourself and demanding respect. Because why wouldn't they give it to a great woman like you? Speaking your truth sets the stage for a better and healthier life. Rule number 7. Prioritize self-love. We've hit the final and most transformative rule, making self-love a priority. Men admire women who show love toward themselves and treat themselves kindly. They respect those who are gentle with themselves, can forgive their own mistakes, and embrace their imperfections. Demonstrating self-worth and self-compassion says volumes about your character. Practicing self-love entails being kind to yourself, showing empathy when you falter, and loving yourself completely without letting others define you. The cherry on top? Focusing on self-love not only scores you brownie points with the guys, but also boosts your self-acceptance and adds happiness all over your life. So go ahead, embrace self-love, and watch the respect come flooding in. Remember, by applying these 7 simple rules, you can not only gain the respect of guys, but also improve your relationships and overall happiness. So don't wait. Start applying these rules today and see the difference it makes in your interactions with guys. Thanks for watching.